Hello YouTube, this is King Boricua 2018 once again, and today I got a mail order and I got some nice cars that came in today. So here we go with the 1995 Fleer metal cars. And the first one off is Scottie Pippen. Nuts and Bolts. Scottie Pippen. This car is in excellent shape. Yep. Okay, then Dennis Rodman when he was with the Spurs. Beautiful card. Jerry Stackhouse. Nuts and Bolts. Shaquille O'Neal. Then Slick Silver, Reggie Miller. Nice car. This one's cool. I like this car. This one's cool. First time I have one of these. It's cool. Okay. Silver Luck, Nick Van Exel, Lakers. Okay, and then another one, 95-96 Fleer Van Exel. Okay, and then Grant Hill, Pistons. My friend SMB Pinoy, if he's listening or watching this, I got various cars, so let's make a trade, man. I'm waiting for you guys. Okay. Fleer 95-96, Rasheed Wallace, class of 95. And this one is none other than Karl Malone. Karl Malone, man, this is cool, man. Nuts and Bolts, Karl Malone. Alright, and then this one, Gary Trent from the Blazers. Says over here, rookie roll call. Then rookie roll call. This is Jerry Stackhouse, 76ers, 95-96 Fleer metal. Then Reggie Miller with the USA team, the Dream Play. Here we go. Another one, rookie roll call. This one is Joe Smith with the Warriors. And this one don't need no introduction. Mr. Michael Jordan. Yes, here we go. This one is 95-96 Fleer. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. And then Steel Tower, Sean Bradley with the 76ers. It's a beautiful card, man. Nice and shiny. And then we have another Michael Jordan. So being that there's two Michael Jordans, anybody interested, just send me a message and let's do something, man. Let's work out something. Okay? Alright, I want to share my blessings, man. Alright, so let's do it. And then one more time, Reggie Miller. And this one is Fleer 95-96 Reggie Miller. Okay, now Jamal Mashburn, Molten Metals. And that's the last of the cars. So anybody interested in any of these cars, let me know, man. Okay? especially the Michael Jordan. This one is going to my collection. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and you put a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.